Good morning. From Sri Lanka. How the hell am I here now? Well, basically, I went to Abu Dhabi and it was really boring. Then I had like a couple of days where I just did nothing at all, basically. I mean, probably the most interesting thing I did was I PT'd a little African kid in the gym at one point. He was like an 11-year-old, he had no idea what he was doing. And I kind of just PT'd him like the white saviour I am. I'm just in Colombo, Negombo. That didn't sound good. Negombo, that's the word. And I'm gonna go get a tuk-tuk now. Where is this guy, to be fair? He rang me and I didn't know what he was saying because I couldn't hear him, so I was just like, I'd seen him in. Yeah, I'm getting a tuk-tuk to the bus station and I'm taking a 3-hour journey to Kandy. Hey ho, here she go. You were a little too high, you were a little too close. I think tomorrow I'm gonna look at the sacred Buddha tooth. It's one of Buddha's teeth that they just show to everyone. And then yeah, get the train to Ella, which is meant to be one of the most scenic, beautiful trains in the world. Join me on a Sri Lankan adventure. Hello. How are you, mate? I can't hear you, mate. Hostel first. Apparently he's on the way. Where are you? Is this him? This is bloody him. Hey buddy, how's it going? Yep, yeah. To the bus terminal. Yeah, man. Hopefully get me back in. Yeah, sit here. Oh no, put it back in. Okay, doke. Oh, thank you. Good man. Busy day, mate? Busy day? Yeah. England. England, yeah, near Manchester.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, you lucky man.
Huh?
You are lucky man.
Oh, yeah.
England.
Hey, you lucky man too. Beautiful Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Ah, very good England.
Very nice.
I know England.
Yeah.
Today where are you go? Bus.
I go with Kandy.
Ah, good.
Yeah. It's gonna be good.
You go Kandy. You want AC bus? Air condition.
Oh, yeah. I get a bus.
First, Kunagala.
To where?
You go first Kunagala.
Kunagala?
Kunagala.
Oh, yeah.
Then Kandy.
Okay.
AC bus.
AC bus. Yeah.
Direct Kandy. No food. No AC.
Oh, okay. No AC.
Yeah.
Oh.
You go first Kunagala. Main city.
Yeah.
Kunagala.
Okay.
AC bus. Okay, I'm
You go to
air condition.
air conditioning.
Yeah, Kunagala. Kandy. Air condition.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Take me to bus stop. I take bus stop and then that one there, the blue one.
Kunagala. Use the English.
Yeah. Kunagala.
Again, you go Kunagala.
Yeah.
Sit under bus.
Yeah.
Kunagala to Kandy.
Okay.
Good. You normal bus, very near.
Okay.
Kunagala to Kandy, 3.5 hour finish.
3.5 hours.
Finish. You go bus Kunagala.
Okay.
Kunagala big town.
Okay.
Same town.
Yeah.
Kunagala. Again, Kandy bus. 2 hours.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you very much, mate.
Okay.
Oh, let's go. Even out too high. Yeah. Alright, 2 seconds. I need to go get some. Okay. Thank you. That don't matter. Ciao, buddy. Hey, oh, here she go. A little too high, a little too low. Got to see more dirty go. That one here. but I go here and then where? This go to Candy after?
Go to Candy.
Okay, brother. You're the boss, man. I've just been kidnapped, basically. What the fuck? This is not where I'm meant to be going. Whatever. So I've been kidnapped and put on this bus to somewhere. I've just looked at Google Maps. It's not too far from Candy, so maybe they aren't trying to scam me. But I don't even know the price of this bus or anything, so I'm just going to see what everyone else is paying and then I'll pay them now. No funny business. Nothing will get past me, buddy. Bit of chaos.
Hello,
Candy.
Huh?
Candy.
Candy, go on the other side.
Other side, over there. Alright, thank you. I want to get absolutely murked here, mate. Jesus Christ. Play bloody Tetris with the buses here, mate. Jesus. What's going on here? Jesus Christ. Mental way. Candy.
Candy.
Candy. Oh no, thank you. Mad out here. Oh, his a little too high, a little too low. Same old vertigo Candy. Oh, they're all gone. Ah! No. Oh, Candy. Candy. Candy, yeah.
Yeah.
Can I go in here?
Yes.
Candy. Can I go in here? Yeah.
320.
Yeah, it's out there.
One ticket.
Yeah.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah. It's out, mate. It's like a spot here. Where? Oh, there. I can see it. Yep, thank you, brother. Oh, it is pissing it down. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. I don't even know if I got that on camera then. Little swastika at the front. That's pisser. Oh, this is great, isn't it? Well, buffet here. That's exactly what I need right now. I'm starving. So we can give me food poisoning now. Oh dear. Right, B's and G's. I'm absolutely soaked through, as you can tell. Just come to hide in a shopping mall basically. And I've got the weirdest combination on. A chicken tikka, some naan. I'm going to make a naan chicken tikka wrap. And then I've just got this thing here. That meat looks terrible. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to scan it. Wowza Rooney. Views on that here. I'm getting another tuk-tuk. That food was pretty decent, to be fair. The chicken tikka was anyway. The ham, well, the bacon. The bacon was terrible on that bat. So I'm probably just going to eat chicken tikka for the rest of the time that I'm here. So their version of Uber here is it's called Pick Me. Pick me. Choose me. Love me. Where is he? I hope he's coming this way. I think he's here. Mountain view. Hey, puppies. Hello. I don't know. Where it is. Right. Apparently, there's absolute niche going on at night time here. Absolute niche. I'm walking around now. I've just had some scran from the same place I went earlier, just the same chicken tikka basically. I'm kind of confident in shopping centre food basically. That's not going to ruin my stomach. I don't want the bloody universe falling out of my arsehole for the next 5 days. Do you know what I mean? I actually want to enjoy myself. The hostel's so far up a hill, the tuk-tuks have been going absolutely sicko mode trying to get up there. Obviously I've got the footage, you've seen it. It's crazy, but the footage doesn't actually do it justice. It's actually insane. Hey brother. Fair enough. Yeah, everyone's friendly here to be fair. Everyone's really nice. Obviously I've had some girls who've been to Sri Lanka before tell me the men are not so pleasant with them. Obviously they could probably be a bit creepy. Obviously I don't think any of them want to shag me, so I don't have that problem. It's kind of damaged my ego a little bit, but whatever, it's probably for the best. They just want my money instead, they just want my money. But that's fine. Everyone's always trying to rob me, everyone's trying to get my money. Everybody's always talking at me. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. But yeah, I'm going to get the train tomorrow. The train to Ella. That's to be the most beautiful train journey of all time in the world. WatchMojo.com, top 1 train journeys ever. I'm going to get that, and then maybe tomorrow or the day afterwards, I don't know, I rent the tuk-tuk. I don't have a license for it. If I get a fine, I get a fine. I'm thinking, I don't know if this is just racist, but like dress up like a Sri Lankan. So then they just think I'm on job. Do you know what I mean? They just think I'm a tuk-tuk driver. But yeah, anyway, that's all I have to say. Signing out, catch you in a bit. Oh yeah. Mr. Tuk-tuk man's just come to pick me up. As it is Wednesday morning. And I'm about to get the train to Ella. Hopefully. If I can get a ticket. Not even a seat actually. Because I'm just going to be standing for 5 hours. That'll be fun. Hello?
Yeah.
Bus stand? Yeah, that's me. Gonna be a bumpy ride. done it. My ticket to Ella, 300, because I got third class. He said, he was like, oh no, get second class, much better. How much is that? How much is that then? He said 600. How much is this one? 300. Obviously this one. No guaranteed seat, but oh well, I don't care. I'm gonna go get a tea or something because I've still got about half an hour. So yeah, catch you in a bit. It's really hot. Jesus Christ. I don't suppose I could just get like a coffee to take away. Yeah. How long would it take? How long would it take? My train's in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes.
Just some milk coffee, please. Milk coffee, yeah, thank you. Take away. I don't know. Do I need to be there at 11 or do I need to be there earlier? Okay. Let's see. Squeaky bum time. Risking it for a chocolate biscuit. Oh well. I see this all over the world, mate. Every single like cafe has that saying. Fat people are harder to kidnap. Stay safe, let's eat. Crazy. Pissing it down. Yeah, the rain has gone absolutely lethal bizzle now. I'm still holding my spot here. But yeah, it's crazy. Get a bit wet, but oh well. Hopefully it subsides in a bit because the most scenic part, which is the bridge, that's coming up in about 2 hours. So I'm here, I'm chilling, I'm having a good time still. Yeah, the rain's gone absolutely mental now. What can you do, eh? It's quite nice to be fair. It's quite tranquil, some would say. But yeah, I wish I did more time in Kandy, to be fair, but I was shattered. I didn't do anything at all, to be fair. If I had unlimited time, then I would have stayed longer. But that's life, innit? You can't do everything. I bet Dr. Dre's never been on this Sri Lankan Kandy to Ella train journey before, has he? Really random example, but yeah. And we're off. Sitting down, but it's absolute water world here now. I probably should close the door, but I like it too much. Thank you. Forward sitting down. Too boring. Just stand there. Yeah, they told me to close the door as well. Just absolutely flooded the train basically. What a goda. What is it? I don't know.
It is no spicy.
Oh, it's okay. Well, thank you. Thank you. Why not? So foggy. You can barely see anything at all. Oh, it's kind of nice. I feel like I'm in Twilight. I can see a bit. Hopefully it actually clears up a little bit. Because the most scenic bit is the bridge. And that's in about... It's got actually pitch shot by a bunch of leaves there. Train's gone Ramo, but no one is having this spot. I've been stood here for 5 hours. This is my spot. Not bad, eh? Not bad. Hey, doggy. Hey, papa. Hey, papa. Right, I arrived in Ella, and I'm the only person in the entire hostel. Literally. I'm gonna go scout the town out now. I need to get some socks. Maybe I'll get some new sliders because I left my sliders in Turkey because they were just disgusting. They stank for some reason. That's where you can get it out, the smell out with like washing powder, but can't be arsed to get some new ones. Yeah, the train journey was sick. The train journey was mint, mate. Yeah, that last bit was so good. The camera actually ran out of battery, so I started filming a bit on my phone, but like, oh my god. Bloody straight serotonin into me, mate. Straight away. Oh, it was beautiful. 79p for a 7-hour journey, and it looked that beautiful. And I had a seat and everything as well, it was fine. I mean, most of the time I was in second class. I paid for third class, but I just walked in second. I didn't sit down or anything, but that's where I was standing anyway. So yeah, I think unless some mental shit goes on in this town when I'm looking for some socks to buy. This will be the last video of the vlog. So, yeah, a couple of final remarks actually. Forgot to mention. Yeah, so the tuk-tuk, I'm gonna try and rent that tomorrow. See how lucky I get with the tuk-tuk-tucky. Hopefully they'll rent me out. Hopefully they'll rent it me. Even though I don't even have a physical UK driver's license on me right now. Hopefully a screenshot will be sound. And a bit of hush-hush money. You know what I'm saying? This is mental as well. They've got loads of these weird like rooms dedicated to Buddha. Similar to very Thailand-esque. The place I'm in right now is so pie. It's so pie. It's like they've seen pie and gone, yeah, we need to do that as well. Okay. What a elephant pants, elephant shirts. I've got some elephant pants at home to be fair. I use pyjamas. Don't catch me dead walking around in them though. Right, I'd rather shit in my hands and clap than wear some of the clobber in that store, so I'm going to try another one. I mean, it was literally a supermarket to be fair. It's like getting your shit from George in Tesco or Asda. Okay, tried another store, absolutely zero sockages in the entire store, so I've left. Dabba-dee dabba-die, I'll get me copyrighted, da-da-da-da-da-da. Copyright, yeah, that's the price I'd pay. Da 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 da. Play this clip anyway. I don't suppose you've got any socks? No socks at all. Do you know anywhere that does have any socks? Where's that? Oh, I tried that, yeah. Okay, thank you. I've tried about 5 stores now. No luck. Where the hell are they hiding all of their socks, mate? Hey, you're right. Have you got any socks? No socks at all?
You can buy it in
The supermarket? Yeah, they only have ankle. I want like long ones. Yeah. Okay, no worries, thank you. Hi mate, have you got any socks? No socks? Ah, okay, no worries, cheers. Excuse me mate. Have you got any socks?
Sorry?
Socks?
No, sir.
No socks?
You can
The supermarket down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what everyone keeps saying. Alright, cheers, thank you. Oh my god. It's like Armageddon. But for me feet. It's Footageddon. I don't think this is interesting at all watching me hunt for socks, to be honest. But it's content, baby. Oh, at least you can see the town a bit. It's pretty mad. There's something on fire. Some bloody mumbo jumbo voodoo shit going on up there. What the hell is going on? Oh, this is the place I had food in. Ah, it's going sicko mode now. Well, not sicko mode, there's no one still in there, but yeah. Hey, doggy. Hello, papa. I'm good, man. I'm good. Hi, mate. You have no socks in here? No socks? God. I came earlier, I don't know why you'd have socks now. Got a t-shirt, to be fair. How much are the t-shirts?
3,490 rupees.
3,490 rupees.
T-shirt 3,990 rupees.
Yeah.
50% offers all items.
What are they?
50% offers all items. If you can buy 2 pieces,
Ah.
item, 50%.
Okay. I don't think I've got the money for one item. They're cool t-shirts though, to be fair. I like them. The hell's that meant to be?
This is all Sri Lankan brand.
Who's he?
He's Arachi, Sri Lankan country's old man,
Oh yeah.
like a policeman.
Oh right, okay.
Yes, Arachi.
He's a skater boy as well. Right, the t-shirts are really sick to be fair, but I'm not paying I'm not paying £9. I mean, there's some cool Billabong ones in there as well, and Rip Curl and everything. They're a bit more. They're about £13. Not paying £13. Yeah. I see some socks, so I'm gonna go get some socks from the supermarket. I'm just gonna get some ankle ones for tomorrow. Probably gonna go to the gym in the morning, give them all my laundry, because this is what my problem is. I've got no clean clothes, basically, but they're gonna do my laundry tomorrow morning. So that's what I mean. Give them my laundry. Hopefully it'll be done by the afternoon, and then I've got clean clothes again. I'm not a bloody smelly hippie like everyone else here. Okay, this is actually the end. Oh no, I'm going to film myself getting some ankle socks from the supermarket, and then that's the end of the video. I've done it boys. I've acquired some socks. I said, yeah, some white socks, and then you try to give me, you know, like the bloody knee-high socks like girls wear, like e-girls. So, mate, I'm not wearing them. Who the hell do you think I am? You could call this bloody weather Snoop Dogg, because all he wants to do is make me wet. Right, I'm back at the hostel. I'm still the only bloke here, the only humanoid in this entire hostel. How mad is that? How cosy, how lonesome. Yeah, that's the end of the vlog anyway. I'm gonna hit the hay. I'm gonna try to get a tuk-tuk tomorrow. But for now, boys and girls, I'm gonna have a little turbo wank in here. I've got a little room to myself. Actually, I don't have a room to myself. I'm sharing it with a bunch of gnats that are coming in out of a bloody window that has a gaping hole in. Someone smashed the window. There's got a hole in, all these like gnats coming in because it's raining outside. So yeah, brilliant. Cheers. Maybe I'll shag one of them. Right, see you in a bit.